So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. On the 4th time you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. Now once we're here, I'm going to show you 3 different things that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC, wait for this to load. It should then take you back into Windows, hopefully this will fix your problem. If that did not work, then you want to select Advanced Options. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have any restore points available on your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. If you don't have any, that's fine, we're going to click on Cancel. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Uninstall Updates. And then select Uninstall the latest quality update. If it's a recent update that caused your problem, you want to uninstall it, so select Uninstall Quality Update. It should now start uninstalling it for you. Once that's been done, see if that works. If that did not work, then click on Close. For the next method, click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to type in chkdsk C:/F//R and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, you can now close out of this. Continue to Windows. It's going to take you back into Windows. Hopefully this will fix your problem.